Surprise when you watch this later, Phil.
It's good.
Anyway. Before we can get on with the cladding, we need to start doing window. Yeah, do your window frames. So what we've decided on doing is we've got,
I think it's 19 by 120. We've got it thicker than what we were going to need, so we could cut it down to fit the window.
Yeah.
But basically what's going to happen is
basically just going to be,
yeah, just boxed in.
This wood again, box it in, one down there, make it big H basically, but have another one at the top, and then the cladding.
We'll sit over the front of it.
We'll sit over the front.
It's upside down, you can't do that one.
Oh my god. So we know that the little shelf is going to have to sit and be that deep. Yeah. So let's try and work that out.
We'll have a go at that, yeah. This could be fun.
It won't be easy.
We'll make it 6, 8, 10. Oh, crap.
What are you doing?
Pocket hole jigging. Not like a jig or a fling. See that? It makes you feel like a man. Like a Yorkie, but in drill form. Not for girls.
You're gonna start some shit, mate.
Yeah, that's it.
Guide bit of wood, so we know how thick the frame's gonna be. Right. Surprise when you watch this later, Phil.
Because the shape of the van isn't square in any way, shape or form, it is all
that
different
part
angles.
Of the window is
further out.
Yeah, so it's wider there
and narrower
it comes
there.
More narrow here. So what we've done is we've put this batten to the level of where the frame's going to sit, and basically pushed a bit in. Use that as a template. Underneath it, just drawn a pencil line underneath, so you can see. It basically gives the angle,
and then extended it by, I think probably.
Yeah, we've added the thickness of the cladding on, so we know that's going to be the second
we've
line.
We've gone from the second line was the thickness of the cladding, and then we were going to add the cladding again.
Added the cladding again just so it sits over just a little bit, so it's not
basically we've added the thickness.
Flush.
We've added the thickness of that to it.
Pretty much, yeah.
Added the thickness of that to the original line to try and give a bit of a window ledge.
Yeah.
So. Yesterday's attempt at framing was not good. Elle had a tantrum and it didn't fit. So I think I know where we went wrong. Got a shadow on me, look. I think I know where we went wrong. We tried to build a frame, measure each piece individually and cut the frame out. I watched a couple more videos last night, and I think what we need to do, we know the size of the window, so I'm going to try to build a frame that fits the window, and then trim it front to back, so I can make it out the full width pieces of pine, if you can see. So I can make it out these, like these pieces here, these full width ones. So rather than try and cut it out now, if I make this fit there, build the square frame out, I can then sit it in here and draw down the sides where it needs to be trimmed down. I don't really know. That's the only other way I can think to do it. So I'm going to strip all this back out because it was shit and it didn't work. And there's gaps everywhere, so it's crap. I'm going to strip all this out and then we'll try again. There we have it, urn frame. Let's go try it in the van. Yeah, it's snug around that, that's fine. But I'd say if it's on there, pretty much perfect. I need to take that out. As you can see, I've drawn some pencil lines on this. The van curves front to back, so it tapers in slightly, and then also roof to floor it curves. So nothing's straight. I mean, if you ever build a van, you'll find this out. Nothing is straight on a van, not a thing. Basically, what I've done is put this frame in, measured, put it all into there. Rested the battens in, so take this one, put the batten in where it's going to go, and drawn a pencil line down there. Done the same with the crossbars. Put the batten across and drawn a pencil line across it. To compensate for the cladding, I need to add 8mm on everything except the base unit, except the sill itself, the actual window sill itself. one's gone together loads easier than the last one did. I think partly because I knew how to do it and what I was supposed to be doing and how it was going to work. But I don't know if you can see. I mean, yeah, there's still the lumps there. They'll be sanded out. But as far as the framing goes, the cladding is going to sit nice and flush against the edges.